or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Courtney if you guys are new here, and if you guys are new, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you guys aren't new here, this is a little bit different from my usual dental assisting videos. I am going to be doing a Fashionphile unboxing, and this is my very first time purchasing from Fashionphile. I was a little nervous, you know, because I just like to buy bags from retail stores. I just get a little nervous because you just never know. So I'm gonna do a review. I did already unbox this bag because I couldn't wait. So I did record it though, so I'm going to be showing it. I think it's going to be on this side or this side, whatever. You'll see it when it starts playing. I'm going to show you guys me unboxing this bag. So yes, let's get on to the video. I don't want this video to be super long because I do want to edit and put it up today. So the bag online stated that it was new and it comes with a dust bag, and I did purchase this bag for $717. Retail price was $1,027, so I saved $310. That's the only good thing about these type of stores, but sometimes they do overprice their bags. Well, I wouldn't say overpriced, but sometimes they do sell the bags for more than it was retail, but this, I got it for a pretty good deal, so I couldn't pass it up. Gucci does not sell this bag anymore, that's why I had to get it on Fashionphile, but other than that I would have got it on Gucci even if it was on sale, because I don't know if I like the whole consignment thing, because you just never know. I hate fake bags, so hopefully mine is real. So like I said, it came with the dust bag. This is the dust bag. This bag is from an older collection, so this is an older dust bag, but it's super cute. I don't know if this dust bag was the dust bag that came with the bag because it is kind of big. Anyways, this is the bag. It's super pretty. It's black and it's velvet. It has crystals and the gold GG. It has gold hardware. Then it has the GG on the back. It also has this tassel for the zipper. And I wore this bag today, so my stuff is already in here. And I'm also going to show you guys what it can hold and what I carry in my bag. But first I'm going to show you the inside. So the inside is pink, and then it has the Gucci tag right there, and it also came with the Gucci card. I have my YSL card holder that fits in here perfectly, and then I also have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, and then my phone, and that fits in here perfectly. So yeah, it holds everything that I need it to hold. It's the perfect size for me. It's crossbody. All of my bags are crossbody. I just love it, and it sits on the hip perfectly. It's not too long, not too short. You cannot adjust it, but luckily it fits me perfectly. I am 5'5" or 5'6" for reference. I don't know how to say the name of this bag, so I'll put it on the screen for you guys. If you guys are interested, they do have a few of these bags on Fashionphile. Some of them are used and they have scratches. Luckily I was able to get this one. It was brand new, no scratches anywhere. Everything looks pretty good, so I'm guessing somebody bought it and wore it like once or twice, and then they didn't want it anymore, so they sold it to Fashionphile, which is good for me because I got to save $300. So Fashionphile also put this little dust bag in there as well, and then it also came with these little tags, and it says once you remove the tag, the bag is yours. And then this is a certification that the bag is guaranteed real. So yes, that's my bag. Comment down below if you guys have ever purchased from Fashionphile. Let me know your experience Also comment down below if you like my new bag. I think it's super cute. It's so small, so cute, and it holds everything that I need perfectly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.